Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite people to Microsoft Teams. Whether you're starting a chat or you're scheduling a meeting or even a community, then you can invite people to join. To do this, go ahead and click on these people on your Microsoft Teams account, and you should see an option to invite down below. So if you click on this invite button, now the individual will have just to use the link that you have sent them. For instance, if I select this link and enter, now I'll be able to join this. So I'll continue with the browser, and this will take me to this Microsoft Teams account. And as you can see, now things are being set up, and within a moment I'm in. So as you can see, I've now joined this team and my name is currently here. I've just joined right now on this team where this is the person who invited me. Now, if I go to activity here, you can see a welcome note for the new member that has just joined Microsoft Teams. So that's how you can invite people and join Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.